Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I've got a fun vintagey tag to share using a image from one of our collage sheets and lots of fun Tim Holtz embellishments and ribbons and trim. So stick around and we'll build this together. So I'm starting with the school card floral digital collage sheet from our shop. I have clipped out the more aqua colored background, and this is printed in the original size that will be for the download. I also prepared a background which is 4x6 110-pound cardstock. I covered the top with black cardstock, and then the back has a complementary pattern. So for the top, I'm going to use this polka dot. I've already inked all the edges so that the core won't show. And I'm just going to add that, leaving a border of the cardstock showing. And then this complementary pattern will go on the bottom. Before I start adding layers, it will be easier to attach the loop so that this tag can be hung. I'm going to use my tiny attacher and just secure that on top. And then this bow will match the printable. So I'm just going to add that with a little dab of hot glue. And now I know that it will not be in the way when I want to add the dimensional items. So for the first layer now on the base, I'm going to add this die cut doily. This is a Cherry Lynn Designs die cut, and I cut that just in a regular crisp white. And then I'm going to add the foam, which will add dimension for this tag. This is a Stash Buster project. The tag has been in the drawer for so long. I think it might actually be pink paisley, but I'm not 100% confident in that. Now also I have notched that foam so that I will have room to add the clip on the back. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more of that hot glue to secure it. And it's slightly to the right of center, but more to the top as well, so that I'm going to have room to add the other layers. This next layer is going to be the digital image, and you can see that I've just clipped it out and then inked the edges. This is one of my favorite digitals so far. Has a school card kind of background with a floral. And then I added a bit of that acrylic film strip with a copper colored clip, and then I'm going to add it with more of the foam, and I notched out the portion that would be where the clip is as well, so that it won't be lumpy. And then I'm using just a regular double-sided adhesive tape to secure that to the base, which I'm going to offset it again just slightly because I want to add this sentiment, which is another Tim Holtz item. This is the word chipboard, and I'm going to put that right here at the top. I think that's a good sentiment for just about everybody. Next is going to be this little banner, and I die cut that again with a Cherry Lynn die, and it will give a nice texture and detail Not much of it will show, but a little bit will poke out. So that is there. This little chipper guy is so adorable. I'm going to put him here. I used some American Craft foam tabs for him, so he will have a lot of dimension. And then top of this whole thing off with this flower arrangement. These are Petaloo flowers. These came from 49 in Market, as well as the little spirally bits and that large stamen. So I'm going to add that right at the bottom. I usually like to pre-attach all my flowers so that I know I can get all of them on the arrangement and not worry that they will cover any of the image or come off the side of the project. So this is it, and I think that is totally vintagey and adorable. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, leave me a thumbs up, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. I will leave links in the description for the digital collage sheet that was from Polly's Paper Studio that I used for that floral tag. So as always, I'm wishing everyone a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.